Lola. These two are totally great together. They pretty much ignore each other. But yeah, I don't really have to worry when Angie's around with Lola. She's pretty good. We're just out here checking out today's renovations. It's kind of hard for the animals because people working on the house, they can't go outside. So it's a little bit hard, especially for Lola. Angie still gets to go outside and still gets to enjoy. But Lola's kind of confined. Come on, Lola. Come on. We'll get through this, and Lola will be no worse for the wear. Yay!